This 2021 Thor TELLARO M-20A is a Class B RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, air conditioning, skylight, refrigerator, LP detector, smoke detector, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, awning, TV, spare tire kit, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2021 Thor TELLARO M-20A is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.